realize and always use smooth diamond. I love smooth diamond.
Creating a commercial video of this sort is always very nice. If you want to do it with AI, you go to Pinterest and pick up a very fine image that you prefer. Any image you prefer, look up for a very fine image on Pinterest, the one that you prefer, whether on cosmetics, whether on skincare, whether on electronics, pick it up and save it on your phone. The next step you're going to do is go to ChatGPT, put it up on upload it on ChatGPT and say, give me the prompt in details. Within a short time, the prompt will be listed out on ChatGPT. As you can see, it's written for above water, for below water, for camera quality, and the rest of them. Everything will be detailed out for you. The next thing you're going to do is to copy the prompt. Copy every bit of the prompt. You don't have to copy the other aspects of the prompt uh, that says should we should we continue to work on the prompt, or should we do this, or should we do this? Just copy only the prompt and then go to the next stage. When you're done copying the prompt, you go to Google Gemini and paste it there. Okay, this is the part I'm talking about, the one that said if you would like to show other versions. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is go to Google Gemini for you to be able to turn the prompt you've already copied into a very good image. As you can see, I just went to Chrome. I will now type Google Gemini on this very page. Your Chrome, type Google Gemini. Google Gemini is owned by Google and it's equally an AI tool for image creation, from for text to image creation. So you type it up and wait for it to load a little bit. Paste your prompt into the page and to start giving you the image you want immediately. One of the magic is, as you paste the prompt, equally upload the image you want to work on. Upload the image for, so ChatGPT will be able, Google Gemini will be able to know what you are talking about. This is the image it generated. I didn't like it, so I pasted up another image and asked it to and tweaked it to put it to the way I want, and this is the result I got eventually. So you can equally do the same thing, put it the way you want. If you don't get it as subtly as you want, tell ChatGPT, tell Google Gemini to alter some changes. Go through your prompt so you can get the image as you want it, exactly as you want it. Afterwards, go to Grok for you to animate the image to become a video. As you can see, this one is already animated, is dancing inside the water, and you can go ahead and give it exactly the kind of prompt, the kind of how you want the image to behave inside the water. It can be someone swimming towards the product, it can be someone saying I love the product, it can be saying, can be a mermaid, it can be anything you want to do. All you have to do is to prompt it. All you have to do is to tell Grok exactly how you want your image, the image you wanted to convert from image to a video, to appear. And this is exactly what you need to do. So go ahead and try these things we just talked about as much as you can. Try it out with different products depending on the space, on the niche you are working on. Go ahead and try it. Go ahead and click on imagine. Once you click on imagine, the it already knows you want to convert the text, the flyer into the flyer or the picture into a video. So you can click this aspect to say whether you want it to be fun, whether you want it to be normal, whether you want it to just write, to customize it. Click on the type, the place they say type to customize the video. So you can always type on that aspect, tell the video what you want it to do, and then it will generate exactly how you want it to generate. There are different aspects you can actually do depending on the flyer you submitted, depending on the picture you submitted. There are different things you can do as the water is in water. See as it's dancing up, it's jumping up and down. Okay, it's trying to swim. Someone will eventually tell it to bring up someone that will swim towards the water. Okay, I'm trying to do that. This one wasn't as much as good as I wanted it. I will now say make a beautiful girl to towards swim towards it and say always use smooth diamond. So after writing this, you click on the arrow beside it for it to generate the image, to generate the video. So right now it's generating. It's generating. There's 26%, 33%, 35%, 76%. It goes on and on and on till it reaches 40%, and this is the final video. Okay, this is the final video of a young girl that swims towards the water. Okay, you can even go ahead and prompt as much information as possible. You can go ahead and change it to your preference, change it to what you want, change it to your desire, and it will keep on giving you different alternative, different versions of the same video. At the end of it, you can take it to InShot or CapCut and edit the videos together, and that will give you a wonderful image to be used for adverts. See, generating fresh information. That will give you a wonderful video you can use for advert any day, anytime, and promote on Facebook, use on your social media handles, and that's the end of the whole thing. Okay. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for your time. Try as much as possible to practice everything that we want. You are welcome. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed so you can get more of this. Okay.